What is computer organization and architecture from a developer point of view? The assembly has arrived. The assembly has arrived. The assembly has arrived. Sysexit. 60 sysexit terminate executing process RDI equals exit status, typically usually 0. New line character. In Unix/Linux systems, the line feed, abbreviated as LF with an ASCII value of 10 or 0x0a, is used as a new line character. In Windows systems, the new line is carried return abbreviated as CR with an ASCII value of 13 or 0x0d, followed by the LF. The LF is used in the code examples in the text. Console output. The system service to the output characters to the console is the system sys_write. The argument for the write system service are as follows: RAX call code equals syswrite, RDI output location std out 1, RSI the address of characters to output, RDX the number of characters to output. Yeah. Console output, assuming the following direct declaration: stdout equals 1, sysread equals 1, message db hello world, message length dq11. For example, to output the traditional hello to the console, the system route would be used. The code would be as follows: mov rax syswrite, mov rdi stdout, mov rsi message, mov rdx qword, message length syscall. Console input. The system service to read characters from the console is the system read. The sysread will read one character at a time until LF. The enter key is read. Each character will be read and then stored one at a time in an appropriate sized array. The arguments for the read system service are as follows: RAX call code, RDI input codes, SDDN, RSI address where to store characters, read, RDX the number of characters to read. Console input. Assuming the following directory: std accuse and sysread accuse, for example, to read the single character from the system read, sysread would be used. The code would be as follows: file open. When file open requires the file exist in order to be open. If the file does not exist, it is an error. A file operation must also require the parameter flag to specify the access mode. The access mode must include one of the following: read only access, OR only, write only access, RRO, read write access, sys, O/RDWR. Biden, like time. File open arguments. REX call code sysopen2. RDI address of no terminated file name string. RSI file access mode flag. Stop. Bryce Spencer. Can I touch your stomach and cry? Woodsboro. File open declaration. Sys open equals to file open. OR only equals 0x read only. Or wrong only equals 00x 0q write only. ORDWR equals 002 read and write. Jamino. One. File open create. A file open such create will create a file. If the file does not exist, a new file will be created. If the file already existed, will be erased and a new file created. Thus the previous content of the file will be lost. Arguments for the file open system creates are as follows. REX File open create. The file status SIRS would allow simultaneous read and write, which is typical. The OR is a logic operation, thus combining the selections. File write arguments. REX call code syswrite1. RDI file descriptor of open file. RSI address of characters to write to write. RDX count of characters to write. Count of characters to write. No. Sure.